Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This will be part 2 for the 2010 Mustang PCM with no AC relay activation. This is for team in Oregon. I have the computer ready, already fixed. All right, so let me move you over to the next capture. So in here, I'm going to show you before I plug, or turn it on, that I have a test light connected to power as I did before, and the other wire that I have it connected to is pin 14, as I show on the first part of the video. This is the pin 14 where the computer commands the relay for the AC, and this was not working at all. All right, so let's do an activation. So let me put the scanner here. I have it pretty much ready. I think that's all really I need. And the other video was showing the oscilloscope, but I really think that it's not really necessary. Let me make this a little bigger. I'm going to cover the computer a little bit, but we already saw that, so not a problem. All right, so you guys are seeing now. Let me just move this over to my other screen. So when I move into here, I can see what I'm doing. Okay, perfect. All right, so let me power the computer up. Got everything pretty much ready. The VCI should be on. It is on. All right, so we're good to go. Let's do an auto scan. I have the last digits of the bin. Should be 123297. I also showed that on the first part of the video. Sometimes TeamViewer does this. It stays slow in there. All right, we're going to select 4, and when we got that last digit, 123297, he doesn't have any problems with communication, but I want to show that that is indeed his computer. I also mentioned on the first video that this test is very unique to Top Done. I haven't actually tried to do it with Autel, but I definitely know that on Snap-on you will not be able to get this activation. Not sure why, because it's definitely possible, and you will see this in a second. I have another video I put on the first part of this video. I did a test before repairs for the customer, and I also put a link on the description where I show the complete repair or what is necessary to be done on this one. It was actually a comment of a guy that says, like, oh, this guy talks so much and doesn't show much. I'm actually doing a test for a customer, and I'm also sharing that in there. So yeah, some people is just a little dark souls that are looking forward to complain. It's free content. I don't know exactly what he was looking for, but I did everything I could. All right, let's select the PCM. We're going to enter there, and we're going to go directly to actuation test. Let's just wait for the scanner to show that. All right, we're going to actuation test. And in here, we're going to go over to another sub menu, which is going to populate soon. It's loading up in there. Okay. Output test mode. This is, again, you cannot find this in a Snap-on. All right, we're going to go in here. It says to key on engine off. And it tells that it's going to actuate everything except for the cooling fan and the injectors, which is perfect. All right, so we're going to go in here. I'm going to add a data stream, which is going to be the clutch for the AC. So we can see that indeed this is commanded on air conditioning clutch. And then when I click on the on button, we're going to see this light come on if it's repair, right? And now we see that completely coming on. I'm going to turn them off one more time. On and then off one more time. So team, as I tell you, he already knows. I already sent him the invoice and everything. His computer is 100% repair. No problem whatsoever, no more with the AC clutch. And this is the proof right here. So everything was not working, and I was able to duplicate the concern. Some people don't get that, when I'm doing a video, is talking and everything. Well, yes, I am trying to guide you through what test needs to be done. I mean, I'm showing you, a test slide, the connections on the scanner, how you can do this activation and duplicate the concern. I think it has a lot of value. I'm showing that I'm not just going and jumping the gun and repairing a computer. I need to understand that it is indeed failing, right? So I can also, like what I'm doing now, showing the customer and all of you that the actual computer is fixed. So I think that has a lot of value. Some people don't get that, but they're looking probably for different content, right? So hopefully you all viewers, and if you like the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. If you have a computer that you need to send for repairs, let me just give you just a short commercial here. This is my website, which I'm going to include on the title on this video. Look for MikeSalazarDiagnostics.com. This is the website. In here, you can go into this white box in here. If you click in there, it's going to download a Word document where you can fill it up and then add it to the box with the module, all modules, instrument cluster, or anything that you send it for repairs. If you want to send me an email, click on the black box that says click here to email me or email us. I also added my telephone, my email, and also the address here, so you can have all the contact information you need. I also have the Let's Chat button. If you just want to make a couple of questions, I have all the answers in there for you. And please make sure that you add your email or telephone so I can contact you back. All right, guys, just a short video showing that the computer is indeed fixed. Thank you so much, team, for trusting Mike Salazar Diagnostics. Look forward to helping you in the future or any of your friends. See you next time. Bye-bye.